Hello Factory family, Jason here with Factory Reproductions, coming back to you with a new segment all about our FR59 Snowflake wheels. These FR59 are one of the most popular GM, Chevy, GMC truck wheels out there on the market. These come in several different sizes. They come 20 by 9s, 22 by 9s, 24 by 10s, and 26 by 10s. And we do have several different finishes in those. We have the chrome, gloss black, black machine face as you can see here, and we have a silver machine face. Probably the chrome and silver machine face are the most popular, but can't count out black or black machine face ever. Now, all these wheels will fit on your Chevys, Tahoes, Silverados, Suburbans, Avalanches. Then they also fit on the Sierras, the Yukons, the Denali's, and they also fit on the Escalades, the EXTs and ESVs. All the Escalades out there will fit all these wheels. Newer style with the larger caliper, which in the Chevy truck stuff started in 2019. The Tahoes and Yukons and Escalades and stuff started in 2021. They clear all the calipers, from 2007. Let's go with 2007 on up. There's some of the older models that will fit from 99 on up. Got to play with the tire size. Make sure that, if you're lowered or lifted or whatever, but they'll still fit. Now, standard tire sizes. Let's start with 20 inch. 20 inch, most standard tire size is going to be 275, 55, 20. That will fit on your stock. Some lowered, slightly lowered, 2.4 drop, something like that. Those will still fit. So if you want to go larger, you can actually go larger, 33s, 35s if you lift your truck, but that has to be done with a lifted truck. 22s start at the 285, 45, 22s. Same thing if it's lowered, 2.4, it will be the same fitment. If you drop it any further than that, you want to play with the tire size, maybe go to a 285, 40, 22, even 285, 35, 22, something of that nature. 24s have a couple different size tires. 24s stock on that will usually run at 295, 35, 24. A lot of people run the 305, 35, 24. It's a little bit taller tire, a little bit more cushiony on the sidewall and everything because you're going 24 inch. Or you can go with the 285, 40, 24. There's not a lot out there on the market, but there are some available. There are also 33, 35 inch tall tires and 24 inch. There's even some 37s from what I heard. We don't personally do the 37s on that kind of stuff, but they're out there and available. 26 inch, 295, 30, 26 is the best fitment out there. There is some all-terrain tires too out there. I know Turo has a 35 inch tall all-terrain tire for these, and there's other stuff on the market that a lot of people are doing, so don't hesitate to give us a call and we can help you out on that as the tire sizes as well. That wraps this session up for us. You can reach me at jason@factoryreproductions.com. Also call the phone number below. Any of the salesmen here can help you out. Also, this week is SEMA. You can go check us out at booth 46027 all week through Friday. Jason here. Remember, Factory Reproductions, making you fall in love with your ride all over again.